Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib.
Hey, what up guys? We are back again with another video, guys. Before we even start, guys, with the video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like and comment, to the video, guys. Leave them comments, guys. Kind of motivates me, to make more videos, So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah. So guys, today I won't be trading or anything. Oh, that's my alarm. So I won't be trading or anything, guys. This is me showing you how I go about before I take a trade. Just risk management. How I do it. The steps I do before I take a trade. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. I just roughly did an analysis here, guys, to show you. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, it's pretty easy, for a prop firm trader. Okay, let me not say prop firm trader. It's wise for a prop firm trader. It's good for prop firm traders, because we have percentages that we mustn't go about losing a day. The risk management, guys, it's important. You need to know how many percentages you risk per trade. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through, guys. So guys, first of all, you're gonna need to have this app. It's called FX Journal. I've been using it, I don't know, ever since I got introduced to it by a friend of mine. I've been using it, guys. You're gonna need this app. It's gonna help you to journal your trades, also calculate your trades, So I've already have it. So guys, this is the app. After you've downloaded it, this is how it looks. So as you can see, trade, my journal, the performance and everything. So these are the trades I've taken so far. These are the journal. We are looking at GBP USD. So you're first gonna take your short position. Let's say. And guys, like, one thing I've noticed with this, it works better if you use limits. I'm sorry, guys, I'm a little bit sick. It works better. So this mind you, guys, this is an 8R, with a 10 pips stop loss. 8R. Let's say what. So that's good, guys, right? Let's say you are as you can check, the liquidity was stripped off, but it failed to tap our sell limit here. So okay, what I would normally do is I would just take the coordinates, take the coordinates and put them manually. Guys, I'm struggling. I'm not used to visibility. Where is it? Inputs. Okay. Entry point is at as you can see. So entry point is at 1. Come on, guys. 27. Right. And then stop loss. Okay, let me just So now we must put what? The take profit. So the take profit is 1,26,229. After you've entered your coordinator entry level, your stop loss, your take profit, we are done with that. So you're just gonna enter your lot size, guys. Remember, we are willing to risk 0.5%. 0.5%, that's $30. We're willing to risk $30. So let me first see how 0.30 will do. 0.30 0.30. There you go, guys. So I'm risking $30. That's 51%. 0.51%. You see, that's good. 0.50%, not a whole. So if I say 0.60, then meaning I'm willing to lose 1%. Exactly, guys. I'm willing to lose $60. That's a percent for my account. You know, depends with the account you are using. So I'm just gonna risk 0.5%, guys, which is $30 to make. I'm gonna sorry, guys. It's short. There you go. So I'm gonna risk $30 to make $246. That's 4%. So guys, this is very crucial. It is very smart. So, you know, this is how I use it. And guys, mind you, this works better on currencies. I've tried with indices, guys. It's just not it. I've been looking for a calculator to calculate indices like your Nasdaq and everything. Yeah, guys, it's just not working with indices. It's better when you use it with currencies, you know. So yeah, just use it with currencies, guys. It's good, and it's accurate with the stop loss. When it hits, you know you're gonna lose at $30.60. If you know, then your trade does you hold your trade to over a night, then you know you're gonna be hitting those swaps and commissions. And also that it differs with the broker you are using, the spread and everything, you know. So but then it's just gonna range around that $30.70 or maybe even $31, you know. But it's accurate, guys. It's good to know how much you are going to lose when you take a trade. It's wise for you to calculate these things, guys. So yeah, this is it, guys. Imagine you take this trade, like my account is up by 4%. 4%, guys. 4%. You see, so that's good, guys. Guys, we've come to the end of the video, guys. If you really enjoyed the video, guys, please don't forget to like and comment, and also please don't forget to subscribe, guys, for me, in order for me to drop more videos. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you on the next video.
You wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a thug.